but my heart's getting colder than you call on my name in the middle of the night. Give peace and the tears to my wrongs and the right. When the valley gets deep, when the storm starts to rise, I will lift up my hands, put my faith in the skies. You never left me alone, never turned from my cries, so I walk in your promise with my head held high. You lead from ashes, you heal the broken, you lift the weak up, your word is spoken. You take my burdens, you shine as the light, leading me forward, out of the night. Jesus, I need you, every moment I need you. Can't have this grace-born heart, sing out your praise forever. Christ before me, Christ behind me, your love surrounds me, never failing. When the enemy whispers, try to tell me I'm doomed, I just stand on your promise, Lord, I cling to your truth. Ain't no weapon is formed gonna prosper or stay, cause your mercy and love always light on my way. I've been low, I've been down, I've been lost in the fight, with your hand put me on.